Travel My Dog and Me, and today we are going to be packing for Walt Disney World. I'm actually so excited. Let's get straight on with the video. So to start off with, I'm going to be showing you my Disneybound outfits. I'll show you the accessories a little later on. But my first outfit is actually a Little Mermaid Disneybound, and I'm going to be Disneybound in Ariel, and I'm going to pair this top with some green cycling shorts like her tail. So, next one. So my second Disneybound is actually a Woody Disneybound, and I have this like checkered waistcoat that I've actually added pop studs to secure it, and I'm just going to wear some denim shorts with that. Next, I bought this beautiful Minnie Mouse dress that I actually bought from Disneyland Paris. I can't wait to wear this. My next Disneybound is actually Simba, so I have these cute like Lion King shorts, and to pair with that I have this brown vest that we've actually personalised to say Hakuna Matata. How cute. Then I actually have this like deep red dress. I wonder which mouse I could be bound in for this. Joking, it's Sorcerer Mickey. I have a hat to go with it. Now this has got to be one of my favourite outfits. I have this gorgeous yellow skirt to pair with this blue top which says Fairest of Them All. We personalised this one as well, but now I'm going to be using this like jumpsuit for an Elsa Disneybound, and I know all of these outfits don't look like much, but once I accessorise them and do my hair and add my Nuimos or my mini Mixies, it's going to look so cool, just trust me. Now this is probably the outfit that I'm looking forward to wearing the most. It's this gorgeous like yellowy orange colour dress, and I'm going to be wearing it for a Pluto Disneybound. Another dress is actually a nice blue dress that I'm going to be wearing to Cinderella's Royal Table, and you guessed it, it's going to be a Cinderella Disneybound. I'm also going to pair it with these very ears that I am currently wearing right now. Now as for my green alien Disneybound, I have these like neo bioluminescent shorts, cycling shorts, and I'm going to pair it with this blue vest top that we have once again personalised. As you can see, it's got the green alien on. Ooh, the claw. Now as for this next outfit, it's actually Princess Tiana inspired. So on the bottom I'm going to be wearing these beige shorts, and then on the top I'm going to be wearing this gorgeous Princess Tiana top. It's supposed to be like her Bayou Adventure outfit, or certainly inspired by that, and I can't wait to wear it. It'll be my first time wearing it, and I've had it for months now. Now as for one of my last Disneybounds, it's a gorgeous dress that's inspired by Pocahontas. Can't wait to wear this one as well. Now I'm probably going to be wearing the dresses like either at like Disney Springs or around the resorts, because they are not quite theme park attire as such. Now by now everyone knows who this is. Yep. I'm doing a Lilo Disneybound from Lilo and Stitch, and we once again personalised this too. And finally I have a Princess Aurora Disneybound. So I have this short little pink skirt to go with another personalised item which says Once Upon a Dream and has an outline of Princess Aurora. Now I'm also going to be taking just a few additional items. I've got this nice like green crop top with some matching green shorts, and I'm also going to be taking my Pluto top to pair with the yellow skirt that you actually saw from my Snow White Disneybound. Now as for some like swimming essentials, I have two bikinis, this teal one and then this blue one and stripy red and white one. I've got a couple of hats. I have this bucket hat, which is one of my favourites. People think it's weird, but who cares. And I have this purple Levi's one. My favourite colour. So I've also got a spare pair of sunglasses in here. A fan is actually from Epcot, which is pretty cool. A cooling towel. I highly recommend taking one of these in your park bag every day, simply because you can go around and fill it up in the bathrooms or at the water stations, and you can put it around your neck or on your forehead, and it cools you down so much. I've got some new goggles in here. And a rash vest is my number one tip for staying cool and safe at the water parks. It prevents you from getting sunburnt, especially if you're on one of those lazy rivers and you're just going round and round. You're not going to worry about getting burnt if you've got one of these and one of these on, are you? So in here I've got all of my hair baubles, my hair accessories, you know, my claw clips, my bun maker things, all of that, they're in there. And I'm now going to show you a few bits of my jewellery that I'm taking that are specific to Disneybounds. So first up, I have these really cute Lion King earrings, and I have a matching necklace to go with that too. It says Hakuna Matata on it, which is obviously very on theme. As well as that necklace, I've also got this like apple necklace, which is perfect for my Snow White Disneybound. And I have this like cheap knockoff Pandora bracelet, but it's themed to the Little Mermaid, which is super cool. And of course I have my new Tiana Pandora ring. But yeah, they're just a few jewellery bits that I am taking with me. Also, if anybody has got any tips for storing necklaces when travelling, please let me know, because I've just had to like put them in these ring placement things because I always hate it when they get all tangled up. It's really annoying. Next up, I have my very full Mickey Mouse toiletry bag. I'm just going to show you a few bits because, as you can see, it's overflowing. You know, I've got about 5 different lip balms. I couldn't decide, okay. My lavender spray is an essential at bedtime. It helps me sleep. And do you know what I think is an essential in that Florida heat? A water spray, like spritz facial mist. It will be so refreshing. Also, I've picked up this wave spray. I thought I could use it like after the water parks, and hopefully my hair will hold a bit of a curl then. And I've got my trusty Aveeno I nearly said hand sanitizer. That's something I need to buy. Hand moisturiser. So yeah, they're just a few of my toiletries that I'm taking. And then this is my makeup bag. Now, we actually bought this makeup bag off Amazon and it came looking so small, but actually it opens out so wide and I fit all of my makeup in here and my brushes and everything. And also it's got this like hook where you can hang it if you really need to. Anyway, so in this top pocket I actually have just some plasters and then this cute little thing that I got from Primark, but it's got powder puffs and beauty blenders all in there. I thought that's so handy. Anyway, I'll sort that out later. And then a few makeup bits that I'm taking. They're my brushes. I have a Mickey and Minnie lip gloss, which obviously were going to come with me, as well as a Toy Story lip gloss, which again was obviously going to come with me, especially with me like Disneybound and Buzz. I swear by these like Paw lip stains and cheek tints. That'll primarily be my makeup for the day. And also I'd like to show off my new, these all seem to be lip products, I just love a good lip product. My new Snow White lip balm. It's really tinted, which is nice. I like a good tinted lip balm. And for the holiday I also bought some Supergoop Zinc Oxide SPF, which I wanted to try one without actual SPF in. Just so this is the mineral cleaner version. Right, now we are on to the fun bit. The accessories, the bags, the lounge flies, the ears, everything. This is so exciting. So I'm going to start off with my cute little shoulder buddy pals. Meet Sebastian and Zazu. I do have a few more, but these are the shoulder buddies that I'll be taking for my Ariel Disneybound and for my Simba Disneybound. How perfect are these guys? Then I'm going to be taking a Nuimo, and right now she has currently got 2 outfits on. Bless her. She'll be sweating. And I've already attached a bobble so that I can attach her around my lounge fly, like so. But yes, she'll be coming with me for my Minnie Mouse Disneybound. And I wanted to take an extra outfit for her, but didn't know where to put it, so I put it on her. Then we have just a few bits that are inside my cowboy hat that I'll show you in a minute. I have this like gold string that I want to somehow incorporate into my Fantasmic Mickey Disneybound, but I'm not sure what I can do with that just yet. Let me know if you have any ideas. Then I have a couple of these like bangles that I'm taking for the same Disneybound, Fantasmic Mickey, and I have this brown belt for my Woody Disneybound, as well as an authentic cowboy hat. This is actually from Arizona, I think. It's my mum's, it's not mine, I've not been. But yeah. And I wore it last time when I Disneybounded as Jessie. Insert photo here. So yes, I'm super excited to actually get to wear it again. Now I'm also going to be taking 2 little mini Mixies. I have Pluto for my Pluto Disneybound, and Tramp is coming with me obviously because Tramp is my favourite character on earth, and he's coming with me when we go to eat at Tony's Town Square restaurant. Now as for pins, I love collecting pins, and last time my sister did a lot of pin trading. However, I didn't really get into it. I did pin trade once, but this time I made it my mission to actually try and trade some pins. Anyway, I've displayed 2 of my favourite pins in this Disney pin pouch. There's obviously a Lady and Tramp one and a Pluto one. And this like pops open and you can just pull them out and interchange them as you like, which I personally found super cool. And let me just put that back on. But anyway, in the main pocket I actually have a strap for it that we did actually have to buy separately. It doesn't come with the pouch. And then I have my new Minnie Mouse lanyard with a few of the pins that I'm willing to trade on there. And also I have a bag of spare pins too that I'll top up my lanyard if I do trade for some. Now I probably won't be taking this bag into the parks every day, but I'll use this bag when we're just like nipping out for a meal or having a walk around the boardwalk. Next up we have bags. So I'm going to show you the couple of crossbody bags that I'm taking, then we're going to get on to the lounge flies. So first of all I have this Minnie Mouse bag that I'm taking with me for my Minnie Mouse Disneybound, and I have one in the same design which is a Simba one for my Simba Disneybound. Just makes sense, doesn't it? I'm also taking this little tote bag for characters to sign. I'd prefer, we did it last time, we signed tote bags instead of autograph books, which I personally preferred because I could use the tote bag over and over and over again. So we have this one this time, and I do need to pack some Sharpies to go with it as well. And then one of my favourite bags, it's massive I know, but it's absolutely amazing. It's got his signature on the back and his big floppy ears, and you guessed it, I'm going to be using it for my Pluto Disneybound. And then as for my lounge flies, I have this Pixar lounge fly which has 3 pockets. It's actually super cool like that. So like it's got the front pocket and then the main pocket, but it's actually got an ear holder pocket in it, which not many bags have. I think more of the new ones do. But I will be using this bag for like Green Alien, Woody, and I'm even going to use it for Snow White. Please don't come for me. And then the final bag that I will be taking is a princess bag. It's got Princess Tiana on it, so I'll be using it for that Disneybound as well as Ariel. And I just love the colours of this, and it just feels so summery. And yeah, I haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I can't wait to use it on this next trip. Right, now for the fun part, the ears. Pluto has kindly been repping the Pluto ears for the duration of this vlog. Thanks, Pluto. But I'm going to show you all of the others that I've got, and I'm going to pack them into my ear carrier case. Wow, I've already got my Green Alien ears in there that, of course, I will be using for my Disneybound. So, what else have I got? I have some Lion King ears, some Princess Aurora ears, some Little Mermaid ears, some Minnie Mouse ears, some Pocahontas ears, some Princess Tiana ears, some Elsa ears, some Snow White ears, some Cinderella ears, and finally some Pluto ears. And I did actually hand make all of them. So I'm pretty proud. Right, now I'm going to get onto the tech side of things. This excludes chargers and travel adapters because they are actually going in my mum and dad's cases. Now, I've got a couple of phone cases that I'd like to share with you. This one has Mickey and Pluto on, and this one has the castle on. And you better believe I'll be taking both. I have a watch strap with Mickey Mouse on that I will be changing over before my trip. And if you didn't know, I am actually filming on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'll be taking the carrying case as well as the additional battery handle, the charger, and this cool little case thing that I actually bought off Amazon. And obviously the Osmo Pocket 3 isn't actually a waterproof camera, unfortunately, so I will be taking my GoPro as well, with all of my GoPro accessories in here, including the charger, the waterproof battery handle, and the head mount. You know, we've got to get that content going down those water slides in Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. Right, now I'm just going to show you a few shoes that I'm taking, well, the only shoes that I'm actually taking. I have my purple water shoes for the water parks because the floor in the water parks can be extremely hot, so I will probably need them. I have some flip-flops for around the room. I have my trusty trainers that are very used, therefore they won't rub me. and some trusty sandals as well. And I also have these green Crocs with some Disney gibbets on as well. Now I need to pack everything in my case. I will see you when I've made a bit of progress.
After packing my main case, I started packing my carry-on. I put all of my electronics in there, a book, magazine, and some Disney card games, as well as some snacks for the flight. I also added a sleep mask before zipping it all up. As I couldn't fit both of my Loungeflies into my main case, I decided it was best to wear one to the airport. In a minute, you will see me packing my Pixar Ball Loungefly with my travel essentials. This included my hand gel, tissues, wipes, earplugs, and travel bands. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. And my next video will be a vlog of travel day to Walt Disney World, so make sure to hit that notification bell and come back next Sunday at 5 p.m. I'll see you all then. Bye for now!